So with just your mobile phone, a Chrome browser and a YouTube studio, you'll be able to upload YouTube videos the right way that will go viral with the simple step I will walk you through in this particular video. So right here on YouTube, let's say assuming you have a YouTube channel, you want to upload your YouTube video. All you want to do as a beginner who wants to make his video go viral, first and foremost, you want to come to your YouTube homepage, then hit on where it said the plus sign down below. Once you hit on the plus sign, the next thing you want to do is to then upload the particular video, and this is the particular video I want to upload. I'm going to click on it. So all you want to do first is to send it immediately. So once it's been sent right here, so this is the first thing you want to do, which is very important. So once you come right here, you're going to see where you add your description. You're going to see where they said visibility, audience, location, and if you scroll down below, altered content. Now starting from that of create a title, I will add that once the video is uploaded, and at description I'll also add that. But first and first, you want to make sure you make the visibility unlisted. So first and first, once it's your first time uploading any particular video on YouTube, then it will tend to show something like public, right? To show public. So always click on the set visibility to unlisted. Now what is this telling you? That it's telling the algorithm that its video is not yet public once it's uploaded. Now it will now save you space for you to optimize the video for it to rank faster on the YouTube algorithm. So the next thing you want to do, once you've set it unlisted, which is to say anyone with this link can view this particular video, then you can then go back and also come to the part it said altered content, click on it. Now this altered content is a new feature which is on YouTube. So this feature tell you if you use AI related content or you try to use different stuff other than that. But basically this my content is not an AI related content. I am the one recording this video, walking you through step by step. It's not an AI. It is me, Mr. Wealth, showing you stuff on this particular channel. So I'm going to say no, because I don't use any AI related content. So if you use AI related content or you altered any footage of a real event or places, you can see the yes right there. So I'm going to say no and then go back. And once I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do, the audience, which is also another very important thing, you want to make sure it is not made for kids. So once you set that clicked, then the next thing you want to do is to hit on upload, right? So once you hit on upload, we're going to wait for the video to upload, and then we'll go to the next step where we're going to optimize it for it to rank and go viral basically. Alright guys, coming back on our YouTube channel, and if you watch closely, the YouTube video which we uploaded has successfully uploaded. So the next thing we want to do is to then go ahead and then get to title this video, optimize it for it to rank fast on YouTube. Now to do that, all we want to do is to come back to our YouTube studio. So all you want to do, make sure you have your YouTube studio set up. So we're going to go to where it said content, right? Click on content, and this is going to be the video right here. I'm going to click on it. And then once I click on it, so the first thing first I want to do is to then hit on this pencil icon, right? I'm going to click on the pencil icon. And once I click on the pencil icon, so the next thing I want to do is to then title the video. So I'm going to come right here, delete this 10th of February, then title the video what it is. All right, so I'm done entering the title of the video, which is how to buy and sell Bitcoin crypto in Nigeria with CoinX. Crypto Beginner's Guide 2025, right? Now the next thing you want to do is to then enter your thumbnail. So your thumbnail is the first image your audience or whoever that enter YouTube get to see before clicking on the video. And mind you, your thumbnail must be so intriguing, eye-catchy, curious, and emotional for them to get to click your video and tend to watch. So you want to put in the most amount of work while creating your thumbnail. So all I want to do to get to do that is to click on this icon right here. You're seeing this image, click on it, and then most of the times YouTube get to generate thumbnails for you, but you must have created your own thumbnail. And to add the thumbnail, you click on custom thumbnail, and once you click on that, then you add the thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail right here which I create. You can see how intriguing it's looking and how eye-catchy is looking. So the next thing I want to do is to hit on select, and then now that you want to add basically is your description. So clicking on the description right here. Now description is where you also describe what this video is all about. So there are ways to as well write SEO description for YouTube, and I'm going to guide you through that. And now writing that first and first, what you want to do is to then bring the title. That's how I do mine, and it has been working for me. Bring the title right here on the description. Now it helps you rank faster. So you having your SEO on the title and having the SEO on the that of the description, which is the keywords you want to rank on fast, right? So I'm going to bring it right here, then paste it, right? So once you paste it, then the next thing you want to do is to also create related keyword, like create a description relating to the keywords you want to rank on. So you're going to be something like, in this video I will guide you through step by step how to buy and sell Bitcoin and other crypto in Nigeria with CoinX, and this is a crypto beginner guide in 2025 that will make you money with crypto. And this is a step, so stuff like that can be SEO related. So you're going to be putting out those keywords you want to also rank on, then that way you can also create your description. So after writing the description of a video, then you put in the link of the particular product you're talking about. That way it must be your affiliate link, and whenever anybody gets to click on it, they tend to also get to hop on the affiliate link right there, or the product, then sign in or sign up, and then you get to accumulate affiliate commission. Now lastly, you want to do then the tags. There are also two type of tags, that of the hashtags and the tags which you will ever search on YouTube going to find your video. So the hashtag right there, you need just 3, and most of the time it's not compulsory, but it's good right there. But the tags right there, which are like 500 keywords, you tend to as well copy them right there from your tags and paste it right here. And don't worry, I will show you how to do that. So let me just enter the description what it is, then we'll go to the next step. Alright guys, so looking right here is the description, and you can see how user friendly and feeling it looks. And so basically you can see this is the title which I actually use at the top right of the description, which is SEO 101, and then I describe exactly what the title is. And it was like, in this video I will guide you how to buy blah 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 and other stuff. And I said, if you happen to have any question, and then you can see everything right here, and this is the useful links. And now these are my social links right there. So if you have your social links, you put all in the description. And lastly, you put disclaimer. So disclaimer is just to keep you at a safer side if your video tends to get scam or scam anybody or get any harmful use. So you will know that there was a disclaimer right there in the description. And also lastly, where I put ignore these. Now this ignore these is a very important stuff which I'm going to show you as we proceed, and why as well get to put ignore these. Now you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to go back and then you hit on save. Now once you hit on save, everything is done. So don't worry about that of the tax for now, don't worry about any other stuff. So just hit on save, and then we'll go to the next step. So looking right here, our video has been saved. So the next step right now is for us to go to our Chrome browser and then do the final optimization, then launch or make our video go public, right? So right here on Chrome browser, so you want to make sure that your Chrome browser is signing, or the Google or Gmail sign into your Chrome browser must be the one you use setting up your YouTube account, right? Now how to do that? Now once you've done that, so you can see this is the same Gmail which I use right now. The next thing I want to do is to come to the search bar and search YouTube right there, youtube.com, right? So once you search that, we hit on search, and then it will load up youtube.com. But now here is showing m.youtube.com. so this is not the web page of YouTube, this is not the desktop view of YouTube. So we're going to actually get to make this the desktop view, which is now we're going to come right here, instead of m YouTube right now, we're going to make it to web. So where you see m, you change it to web, right? This is how you also get to do these things the right way. I'm going to hit on search. Now it will tell me this site is not a website. Now because it's showing that way, what we'll have to do, we'll come down below. You're seeing these 3 dots, which is column either. Click on it and then scroll all the way down and look for where it said request for desktop site. So I'm going to also refresh this back, then come right here and then scroll at the top right here and request for desktop site. So once we request for desktop site, now this page right now going to be in a desktop form, right? You can see basically is now showing everything in a desktop form. Now you've done that, the next you want to do is to then come at the top right here, right? You're seeing this stuff, then make this, instead of m, you make it web, right? So most of the time this is not really important, but you use it so that to really tell the algorithm that you are also in a web mode. So it's not showing us, so let's leave it right there. So don't worry if it keeps showing you that you're not using the website. So what you want to do now is to then go to the top. You're seeing this your logo, so where you're seeing your profile, your YouTube channel profile, click on it. It's going to be a small, and because you're using your mobile phone, that's why it's going to be like that. So the next thing you want to do is to then click on your channel, right? You're seeing where you're seeing your channel, view your channel. Click on the view channel. Right now, this is everything you want to see right now. So once you're right here on your channel, so you can see what it is right now. So this is like a web form. Now if you look closely, now you will see something like customize channel, right? I'm going to click on customize channel, and what will happen, this will take me to YouTube Studio. So once you take it to YouTube Studio, don't touch anything, allow it to automatically open up the YouTube Studio in a web browser form, whereby you see every other stuff right there in a web browser form. So you can see now it brought us here. So the next thing we want to do now, we'll now go to where it said content, right? At this side right here, you're seeing content. After your profile, you click on content, right? Because right here it brought us to channel monetization. So right on the content, this is where we're going to see all the video right here, and these are all my videos, and you can see visibility, monetization, and other stuff. So if you're a new creator, you won't get to see monetization at the moment, but at the time you get to put in more work, create more videos, and also stay consistent in the long run, you will tend to see the monetization showed, and you will monetize and also join the YouTube partner program. So the next thing we want to do right now is to then do our final optimization right now. This is the video I want to optimize. I will click on it, and once you click on it, they're going to be 4 option or 5 option: the pencil icon option, the analytics, comments, monetization, and then this. So we're going to click on this pencil icon, and once you click on this pencil icon, to bring us to this interface, and you're going to see everything we've done. Now you are on this interface right here. First and first, you can see your stuff are still accurate. So the next thing we want to do, this is where you can add end screen, you can add cards, and then a lot of stuff, right? So the next thing I want to do is to then scroll down below. So if you want to add end screen, now end screen is like after the video has finished, what next is going to show. So that is what end screen is. So I'm going to add end screen, and this is how you add end screen. So you choose the elements. So there are a lot of elements right here, so I'm going to choose one element, right? So I like choosing that of playlist kind of element right there. Right, I'm going to take this right here, or if you don't want to choose playlist, you can go back to element, right? Just discard it right now, come back to end screen and choose video. So you can choose best view for audience right there, and then it will as well get to show best view, or you choose specific video right here. So you can see, you can choose specific video, you can choose most recently. So I love allowing the YouTube algorithm to choose the best video for the audience. I'm going to choose save, right? So once I do that, then another thing I want to choose is card. Now card is very important, and how I use card is, this is where I also get to tell you guys to subscribe and like and share. Now this card is like a pop-up. Imagine you watching a video and a pop-up just showed, so it's going to tell you subscribe. Sometimes you can just solicit your audience, please subscribe and share, because that is what will also get to grow your audience. And guys, if you're still watching this video, I will tend you also get to like this video, subscribe to your boy channel, and also turn on the bell notification and comment down below YouTube money right there in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and also choose channel, right? Choose channel right here, and then the next thing I want to do is I will then search for the channel. So you go ahead and search for your channel, either Mr. Well channel or once you get to do that, let me use for instance Everyday Well channel. This is my major channel right now, if you don't know. Then you put a custom message. So the custom message is going to be something like let me say, please subscribe, right, and share. Right now I'm going to copy this right here and then paste it at the teaser. So the teaser is what pops, right? So it's called teaser, right? So once you do that, then you want to choose where you want to also allow this to show, right? So I didn't get to do that. I'm going to undo it, right? Undo everything, right? Let me just undo everything. So first and first, you want to choose where you want the teaser to show up. So I'm going to come right here and choose it right there. Maybe after 10 minutes of the video, then it should pop up. So I'm going to choose channel again, then I'm going to search on Everyday World, right? So you just have to do this thing right? So I'm going to put on again, right? Copy and paste, copy right here, come right here, paste, right? So once you do that, you can see it's pop up right here. So for after 6 minutes of this video, the teaser will pop up. So that's what it is, and you're going to see where it's going to pop up. And next you want to do is to click on where it says save, then save, right? Easy peasy, right? So once you've done with that, then you're done with the other side. So the next thing you want to do is to then scroll down below. So scrolling down below now, you're not able to do that. So you're going to see where it says show more, right? Click on show more. So on the mobile app right there on Studio, you can't see all this place right now. So this is where you get to see everything. Now coming right here on show more, now this is where you get to do the basic stuff and the major stuff. Now forget about everything you're seeing right here. Don't bother yourself about everything. So the most thing you need to bother yourself is that of add tag, right? Boom. Now tags are like the tags I told you, the keywords your individuals or your audience are going to search on to find your video, and you just need only 500 keywords right there of tags. Now how did you get tags? So there are as well 2-3 ways I use in getting tags. Now the first way is the free way, but it's taxable. It will take you a lot of time and a lot of work. And while the last way is the 2 tools I use, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Now for the free way, all you want to do is to come on YouTube, right? You want to do is to come on YouTube. Now for instance, I want to also rank my video on a keyword on how to buy Bitcoin. All I want to do is to search how to buy Bitcoin, right? So I'll bring it right here. Now once I bring it right here, I'll hit on space, right? So once I hit on space, now you're going to see how to buy Bitcoin from, so these ones are the ones I just searched. Now you're going to see how to buy Bitcoin with Cash App, how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, how to buy Bitcoin on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin in India, how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal, and how to buy Bitcoin with credit card. All right, now once you as well get to see this, the next thing you want to do is to then copy this code, and at least copy the first 5, and then what you want to do is to then enter another keyword, maybe how to buy Bitcoin with Naira. Right now other keywords will come: how to buy Bitcoin with Naira on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin crypto with Naira, how to buy crypto with Naira on Binance. Right now this is how you get to keep reshuffling the keywords till you get all the 500 keywords. Now another one too, you can use the particular exchange which you're working with, how to buy Bitcoin with Naira, let's say with CoinX, right, which is what I'm working on. Right now you're going to see how to buy crypto in CoinX, how to buy crypto coin in Delta Exchange, and a lot of stuff. So this is how you reshuffle it, but this one is taxable. So another pattern I use, which is very intriguing and interesting, is I then search on out, let's say how to buy Bitcoin, for instance, maybe with Naira, for instance, right? Then I hit on the first one. So once I hit on it, now what will happen? They will show me videos that have done so well and how to buy Bitcoin with Naira. Right now you're gonna see a lot of videos right here that has shown basically, so you can see a lot of them. So this is Online Hustle TV, this is bunch of them, this is also Fisayo, and a lot of them. No, what you do basically now, you tend to look for the guys that have done, you know, a lot of views with that keyword. Then what you want to do, then you click on this 3 icon, then click on share. Then once you click on share, you copy the link, and once you copy the link, you want to come to a free tool, right? But this free tool don't always work like that. You can just search YouTube tag extractor, right? But this tool, it doesn't work always. Sometimes it will give you what you want, sometimes it won't give you what you want. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the best tool that will help you get everything done. Come to YouTube tag extractor, and then I'm going to look for YouTube tag extractor, free YouTube tag extractor. So I'm going to use the first one for instance. So it's a free tool. Most of the tools right here are free, but they won't give you what you want, trust me. So I'm going to paste it right here. Right, once I paste it, I hit on extra tag. Right now you're going to see all the keywords this particular guy that went viral with that particular keyword you search on use. Then what you want to do is to select all and then copy and then use it on your video. But it always don't work. Most of the time it works, most of the times it don't work. But the best way and the best one to use is this tool or this app called TubeBuddy. Right, so TubeBuddy is one of the best. Right, it gives you, if you search for maybe related keywords right here, it gives you the particular keyword, and you can see right here, these are the keywords. You just have to set up an account, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description section of this video. Use the link right there to set up an account. Then come to Tag Explorer right here on the menu, click on Tag Explorer, and then search for any particular keyword. Let's say how to buy Bitcoin. Right, once I search on that, now keywords under how to buy Bitcoin going to show, and they're going to tell me the search volume, tell me the competition of that particular keyword and the overall. So this is the best. Now it will now show related keyword and auto complete keyword. So you can see immediately I've gotten over 6 keywords just right now, and I'm getting 6 keyword because I'm not using the paid version for now, because my paid version has expired. So if you get to make the paid version right there, you will get to see a lot of keywords right there for yourself. Then you can copy and paste and also make your video go viral fast. So now you understand that. The next thing I want to do, I'm going to come back right here and also get to paste the keyword, because I've already created my keyword basically. So the next thing I want to do is to then paste my keyword. I've already do my keyword reset, but there is a problem. Now look at the problem. There is a red sign, which is to tell you there is an error we need to correct. Now what is the error? Now if you come right here, we can see that we are supposed to only generate 500 keywords and not 608. So from the keywords I created, it is over 608. So what I'll do right now, I'll go ahead and also get to delete some of the keyword right here, and also tends to make sure is up to 508. Alright guys, as you can see, the keyword has now been accurate and no red sign or any red flag right there. So basically you can choose the language you want right here. If it's English, if you speak any other language, or you want your video to rank any other language right there which you speak, you can go ahead and choose and allow everything the way it is, do not touch anything. Then the last thing you want to do before making your video go public is then come to where you're seeing copy it. Now initially I told you guys that there's something I showed you called ignore this. So this is where you're going to as well paste the ignore this right here. Come to ignore this right, and then paste right. I'm going to paste ignore this, and boom, and this is why you put ignore it. So this will help your video rank faster and start seeing on YouTube search recommendation and on the FYP of YouTube so far. So once you're done with everything, then the next you want to do is to save right. Now once you save it accurately right this, you are done. Now if you have monetization turned on, you come to monetization right here, click on it, and once you click on it, then you click on and once you click on you click on next. You click on none of this above, then click on submit. So this is how you turn on monetization. Then you go back right here right. Once you go back, so the next you want to do is to then hit on unlisted, then hit on public, and then click on save, and voila, your video is now public right. And this is the exact way you can tend to upload your video and go viral. If you do this the right way, trust me, with consistency and also creating content that your YouTube algorithm and YouTube audience are looking for, trust me, you will rank faster on the YouTube search terms. And this is how you can also get to upload your video the right way using just your mobile phone. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, all I want you to do is to share this video, subscribe to your boss channel, because I'm going to be dropping more YouTube tips on how to make money with YouTube right there on this channel. And if you as well get to love what I do right here, all I want you to do is to turn on the bell notification while you subscribe on the channel, and also comment down below YouTube money. And until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace out.